What's up and welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves. If you're new here, this is a no excuse way to make more time for you every single day as we show up together to affirm one another with words of love and light. Ooh, that was beautiful. But today, how are you feeling? What's going on? I'm gonna say, when I woke up today, I was like, dang, I gotta film this video. But then I was like, you know what? Every time I film it, I feel better. So that's part of why I feel like I cannot stop this, is because I wake up and I'm like, okay, I know if that's the one thing that I do for myself today, it's gonna be a great day. So moving forward, the song of the day today is Shake It Off by Taylor Swift, because yesterday I went to see the Eras Tour movie and Taylor Swift, like me with any artist for the song of the day. Yup. No, it was a great time, and I went with my sister and we ended up being the only ones in the theater. I guess it was like the last showing, so we were in there dancing. Because if you even really think about it, like what really hit me after the movie, I was like, oh my gosh, like my whole childhood going to see Beyonce, seeing this, it's like those are the people who on TV when you were younger, we used to hear them on the radio all the time. You could not escape Shake It Off. You could not, like, there were certain songs you could not escape. So at some point you were like, hold on, the haters gonna hate. She was talking her stuff, like, come on. And I realized that Taylor Swift definitely, she puts herself in the villain category, because I'm like listening to all her songs, I'm like, she sings about being evil. And then she gives this sweetheart, like she gives off sweetheart energy, so it's like it's really cool to see the juxtaposition. I will say we walked in late, which is I'm a little upset about it, but that Reputation intro with the graphics with the snakes, I was like, take me away, this is lit. Like from the aerial view, I was so impressed, so impressed, and it made me be like feel very grateful to have had like a childhood to be able to see people grow and progress, because it's been what, 10, I don't even know how many years that Taylor Swift has been making music alongside Beyonce. And like I really definitely feel like, I don't like to compare them, but I see a lot of people comparing them, but I definitely feel like they are like counterparts, you know what I mean? Especially in today's generation of music, they are counterparts, which is why we see them showing up for each other, which is so beautiful. I love that. But to pick your brain for the day as we shift gears, my question for you is, what is an identity that you feel you no longer have or no longer want to attach yourself to? What do you not want to be seen as? How do you want to show up in the world? And I'll just leave it at that. So hopefully that gets your brain thinking. Let's jump into some quick affirmations. I'm trying to find an easier way to get these videos out quicker to you, because I'm telling you, between the exporting and then the uploading and then the processing, it's like I have to schedule these videos like from 5 in the morning because it takes so long. Like it'll be done, it'll be edited, it'll be this, but it takes so long to like get and then put on. It's so much, but I only do it for you, only for you. That's the only reason. So let's dive into these affirmations. Are you ready? Take a deep breath with me and exhale. Get into the groove, shake it off. Don't let me play the music, don't let me do it. Okay. I am surrounded by love. Right now, in this very moment, I am content. Everything is working out for me. I am glad to be alive. I am glad to be alive. If I need help, I know I can ask for it. I have so much to be grateful for. I am loved and capable of being loved. I feel strong and powerful in my own skin. I celebrate my beauty on the inside and outside. It is moments like these that allow me to feel more whole and complete. I trust myself to succeed. My life is getting better and better. My life is getting better and better. You gotta say it like you mean it. Come on. I treasure my hopeful attitude. I am stronger than I know. My presence has purpose. There is a reason that I was put on this earth. I am a part of someone's support system. And my presence is needed. I deserve to be happy. I deserve to be happy. I see situations as opportunities to grow and to reveal my growth. My hope is a powerful force. I am unstoppable. I am unstoppable. I can achieve anything I want. I am calm and confident. I am calm and confident. Let's take a breath here. Yes. I am brave. I have succeeded. Bet you never said it like that before. I have succeeded. I am successful. I see myself thriving and happy. I see myself thriving and happy. Any problem or situation that comes my way, immediately resolutions come to me. I am giving myself grace in a time where it is needed most. I am such a unique person. There is no one like me. I am making room in my life for the great, the greater, and the best. I am expanding my horizons. And I have great hope that my future will be just as bright as the light that shines within me. Yay! Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I'm so happy you're here, and I cannot wait to see what the next, what is it, week, since it's day 23, has in store for us. I'll see you on the flip. Bye!